Hey, 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 it's Terry, Virginia's daughter. And you know what they say about the number 7? It's a perfect number of completion. While I am not completely done yet, I am on round 7 of my unfinished sewing projects plan. So let's get into it. Starting off is this Chado Ralph Rucci. I remember seeing this pattern. This is Vogue 1239. And I know this is going to be familiar. Like, I still want this dress. I think I just bit off more than I can chew back at the time I did. It's a 2011. While I never doubted that I could do it, it's an average pattern. It's not that complicated. There's a lot of details, a lot of top stitching and things like that. I just think that I wasn't ready for it. Again, the one thing that I've discovered is that this kind of makes me wonder what was going on in my life at the time when I stopped these projects. Because surely it wasn't just all about the sewing. But this is how much I have done here. I don't even know if this is going to make sense. I see a pocket here. So let's see if I can make it make sense. So here's a pocket, so this must be the side. Do I have another pocket over here? Yeah, there's a pocket, so that must be the side. Okay, okay, okay. This must be the shoulder, kind of. Well, this is the back, yeah. That's definitely the back. This looks like it could be the sleeve. I think it is the sleeve. I really don't care for this dress form all like that. This is one of the ones I got at Joann's a long time ago. What kind of dress form should I get? What type of dress form should I get? I know back in the day I had done a little bit of research, but I don't know if I remember any of that. So start with the back. Okay, girl had to go off camera to figure that out. Let's see if I can lift this up so you can see it. See why I don't like this thing? I think this is gonna be beautiful. You can see the top stitching there. And then if I turn this around, right, you can see that this is the back. This is, I'm not sure why I stitched this together. I think I was trying to see what the dress was gonna look like, but there's gonna be seam here, seam here. So yeah, you can kind of tell how much I got done. This looks short though, doesn't it? Where's the rest of it? Oh, I see, I see. So it has these bands. Let me read the description.
Close fitting, lined to edge dress has shoulder darts, side front pockets, inside ties, hook and eye closure.
Okay, upper front band and lower front band. So there's 2 front bands, right? That's gonna make this dress longer. That makes sense. There are, whoa, 67 steps to this girl. I know that this is the outer fabric. I don't even know what I was trying to do for a lining. In any case, this Vogue 1239, did I tell you what year this pattern was already? Oh, all right. So that's the first project. The second one is B5318, this Easy Maggie London for Butterick. And it's a really cute dress. It's a knit. I am using this knit that I got from Joann Fabrics probably. So this has not been started at all of it in its raw glory. I did make something out of this. I made a high-low maxi dress where I color blocked. And if I find a picture, I'll put that up. This item is, you know, whatever. Butterick 5674. I thought it was cute. Close fitting line dress, has front overlay, shoulder and waist pleats, back invisible zipper. Oh wait, let me tell you, this is a 2009. Wow. And this is a 2011. I got some fabric, I don't know, pink, purple. I don't know, have I done anything yet? I don't think I've done anything on here. These are just the pieces cut out, but I'm not excited about this, but I'm gonna finish it. So that's 1, 2, 3 dresses. I mean, we are in the dress game here. The next one, I do not have the pattern, the actual pattern for, but I do have a reference. So this is Simplicity 2758. And this is what this pattern looks like. You all might remember that. I made a shirt out of this, and I know for sure that I am doing view D in a long and a short version, view D. So it has that little pleat in the front. Simplicity 2758, Mrs. Pleated skirt in 2 lengths, half circle skirt and shirt. Yeah, that's it. So in any case, I have this one that's pretty much done. Like, I don't even know why I stopped it. This looks a little awkward, doesn't it? Why is this long? Like, anyway, this is it's almost like a suede, but it's not. I'll think of the name of it. I'm terrible with fabric names. Really, I am. I should get better with that. Just have to finish the closure, as odd and awkward as it is, and then hem it. Now, I did do a white long one. It's just cut out. I'm not, same fabric. It's this lightweight faux suede. It's almost like a costumey fabric. I don't know what it's called, but I wanted a long white skirt, just like that one. That's what this one is here. Simplicity 2758 that I do not have the pattern for. And actually the shirt that I made would match this skirt. So I think I had an outfit in mind, like 2 pieces that I wanted to create. So let's see, 2 skirts, 3 dresses. All right, this last one is actually next to the last one. There's 8 in this one actually, but I know one is gonna be, I'm not gonna do one, but I'm gonna say it because I started it and didn't finish it, but I don't know that I'll finish it. So this is a Vogue, it is I don't know, it's a vintage pattern, I'm gonna say. And here's the jacket. It's like a peplum jacket with a skirt. This is some version of Ponte knit that I think Virginia may have had in her stash. I don't remember buying this at all. I have constructed the peplum, which is right here, I believe. Yeah. Wow, it's a long old thing, isn't it? And then this is the skirt. The skirt is done pretty much, I think, with the exception of, again, like a snap, a button. So, ouch. Once I get that on there, that'll be complete. That's kind of cute, isn't it? Yeah. This is a 2 pieces, but you know, some of this white is just not white anymore. Some of the creams aren't cream anymore, and I will dye it white. I think in one of my videos I said I'm gonna have to bleach it, but I meant dye. I will probably have to do that. But a couple of these projects I'm excited about finishing, I am. Now, this last one, I don't think that this pattern had great reviews. It's McCall 6163. I just remember it not being that well received. I think that's what I remember. 2010. And it's just a close fitting above knee dress, mock wrap. It's really cute, I think. I got some notes on here. I wish I had put a date on here that I started. So in any case, we all know what that means. Here's your little guide to let you know if your fabric is stretchy enough. Okay. I said, you know what? I'm gonna use a non-stretch. I don't care. Well, I messed up this fabric because this fabric was beautiful. It's like a wool, some version of wool, but it's lightweight. But you know, no stretch at all. Here's the sleeve. I mean, my goal was to do this in this gray fabric and then just have this yellow lining. You know what I mean? I thought that would have been so pretty, but I got part of the way through this dress, as you can see, and I was like, this thing ain't getting over my my big toe. Okay, so girl needed all the stretch she could get with this dress. And then I thought, well, you know what, maybe I could just finish it, and then maybe a very small person, if somebody is tiny enough, they could wear it. I'll just make it and then they can get away with it. Now, the reason this might not be ago, which I don't think it is now that I see it. I think the reason that all of this is torn apart is because I used some of this fabric for something else. I made a skirt out of this fabric. Actually, this skirt was in my unfinished projects, round 1. And it's a Vogue pattern, and that's what I used it for. So I don't think I have all the pieces to this dress. So I really think this dress is trash. But I had to show it to you because, you know, it's an unfinished project. I don't think this is a project anymore because I took it apart. I used part of the fabric for something else. And was that the smartest thing to do? I don't know, but it's what I did. So that's a bust. That is it. Which round did I say this was? This is round 7. Thank you so much for joining me. And remember, if you have any unfinished projects, it's never too late to start on them, one at a time. Thanks for joining me today. And as always, take care.